my students. How are you? How was the vacancy? I think a holiday is wonderful. Even for me, today we are going to focus how to learn differentiation of polynomial. You have to revise. How to differentiate polynomial. So, to differentiate polynomial, here we have the rules of differentiation. There are many rules for derivative, but today we are focusing for two rules. After that, we will discuss other rules of different. The first rule here is a derivative of constant function. To derivative of constant function. The first derivative of constant function, here we have a df over dx equal d over dx. Constant means c representing the constant number equal to 0. The second is derivative of power. A derivative of power, here we have a d over dx x power n. N is a constant number or exponential number is equal to n times x n minus 1. Example. First, derivative of f of x is equal to, for example, 67. If we have to find derivative of 67, this is a constant number. This is any constant number. Remember a d over dx of d over dx of constant number also you get a 0. Means that derivative of f of x is equal to 67. So means that derivative, and remember on the symbol of derivative, a d over dx is equal to 67. Derivative is equal to 0. Means that derivative of 67 is equal to 0. Let's take another example of derivative of a power. Derivative of a power. A derivative of power. Second, find derivative of 4x squared plus 3x minus 7. If we have a task for derivative of 4x squared plus 3x minus 7. So, derivative of 4x squared plus 3x minus 7. Here we get, remember the rule of derivative of exponential is equal to d over dx of x power n is equal to n x power n minus 1 is to take n times x power n minus 1. Derivative of this function, here we take, remember this is representing n. And here the n is a 1. So means that we take this n in front of x. Here we take a 2 times a 4x power 2 minus 1 plus 3 times n is a 1 times 1 times x power 1 minus 1, and also remember minus derivative of constant, remember that is a 0 minus 0. So here we get derivative of this. The f is equal to, here we get 8x 2 minus 1, we get a 1, and here plus 3. 3 times 1 also is equal to 3. X power 1 minus 1 also we get x power 0 minus 0 is a 0. Here we get d over df is equal to x power, here we get 80x plus any number power 0. Remember the condition or the properties of mathematics. X or any number power 0 we get a 1. So means that here we plus 3. This is the derivative of this function. First derivative of this function is 8x plus 3. Example number 2. For derivative of a power, a function h, x is equal to 24 times x power 4 minus 2x cubed minus 85. So here we have to find the derivative. And also derivative of this function. Derivative of this derivative of hx of dx is equal to, here remember the rule is equal to, when the derivative of dx of x power n is equal to n x power n minus 1 is to take n, this n x power n minus 1. So the solution of this, solution d over dx is equal to, here we take 24 is equal to 24 times n is equal to, this is n and also this is n is equal to 4 times x power 4 minus 1 minus 2 times n is equal to 3 times 3 times x power 3 minus 1. So minus 85. Remember 85 is a constant number, and the derivative of constant number is a 0. Here we get a d over dx is equal to 24 times 4. Here we get 4 times 4 is equal to 16, and here is 96. Here is 16, and 4 times 2 is equal to 8 plus remaining 1 is equal to 9. Means that here we get 96, and also here we get x 4 minus 1, we get 3, and minus 2 times 3, we get 6, and also here we get x 3 minus 1, we get 2. And then minus 0. So here derivative of this function we get 96x cubed minus 6x squared. This is the solution of the first derivative of this function. I hope that every student knows, or every learner knows, how to differentiate the exponential form of derivative. I think it is very, very easy. Thank you so much for following this video, and also we have next videos, more videos explaining the mathematics in the secondary school. So, see you.